The first one is called No I. It's a place, but it isn't. It can't be seen or touched, but not because it's hidden. Yet I know the place to touch when I feel the presence. It's so alive that I can almost see the light dance. It goes in circles that are hard to describe, in colors I've never quite seen here. But its essence is astonishingly clear. I understand it in a way that I don't understand. I know without knowing. This space that is not space. In this time that is not time. This thing within me that is not mine. I love this thing that is not a thing. But sometimes I hate that I can't remember what I had to forget in order to come here. Yet I speak in moments of clarity, in a voice of celestial-like trance, recognizing the truth in my soul and possessing an awareness that I does not exist at all.
That was beautiful.
Thank you.